I'm Pekka Arinen, working as a digital services director at Normet, and Normet is a 60-year-old company providing equipment and services to mining and tunneling sector. We chose commercetools because of the MAC and composable approach, composable architecture. So we want to be prepared for the future. We are taking the first steps in digital commerce. However, we understand that we need to adapt on the changing needs and we need to be future-proof as well. The key features that commercetools enables us it comes from the MAC acronym as well. So microservices and API-driven architecture. So as said, we need to be prepared to integrate or to link the commerce front end or whatever happens in the digital commerce side in the various places in the backend system. So we need to be composable in that way. Then maybe the second approach is more cultural as well. So we need to take the step-by-step approach so that we don't know, or I don't know where we need to be in 3 years, but we need to make sure that the journey is right and taking it as a step-by-step approach with the MAC approach enables this. And then the third part is that we need to ensure that the customer experience is the best available. So the headless approach enables us to build the best possible customer experience and the easiest customer experience to our customers. The first step or the first project went actually surprisingly well. So there was not really any big hurdles or obstacles in the way. So we were able to roll or develop or design, develop and roll out the first versions of our digital commerce out really rapidly. And of course we anticipate that the same speed continues so we can do the next iterations as well. Well, yeah, one of the big strategic goals for Normet is to automate as much as possible and automate the processes, whether we are talking about internal or external facing. And this is one of the critical things from commercetools is that we are able to automate the processes starting from the purchasing. Of course, the full Normet customer experience starts way earlier, even before purchasing any equipment. But at least at some point, we are not in the phase yet, or we might not even be at the phase yet that Normet equipment, which is quite complex, can be purchased online. But everything after that should and could be purchased by digital tools in the future. And this is where commercetools helps. The mining industry is not going anywhere. But how do our customers, or what do our customers expect and how do our customers behave? It is a bit of unknown still. So in that sense, we need to be agile and adaptive to whatever future needs there are. We are utilizing data heavily already in the background on the engineering and like really technical sense, but we need to utilize that data also for customer-facing solutions, where commercetools or digital commerce and composable commerce is one part. So we are preparing that we can build whatever is good or is the best for our customers. And of course, if thinking about our competitive landscape, if we are better than our competitors, if we have better services, digital commerce solutions than our competitors, most likely the customers are more willing to use Normet services rather than somebody else's. Maybe one of the challenges was that how do we build and design a architecture or a modular approach that is fit for the future as well. So this is where the MAC approach helps a bit, or quite a lot.